Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your everyday cooking, the Blue Diamond 9.5-inch and 11-inch frying pan skillet set. We've all seen the vibrant blue hue and the promise of diamond-infused non-stick, but does this set live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what you get. This is a two-piece set, featuring a 9.5-inch and an 11-inch frying pan. These are incredibly versatile sizes. The smaller one is perfect for your morning eggs or a single serving of pan-fried chicken, while the larger one can handle weeknight stir-fries, searing multiple pieces of fish, or even a family-sized omelet. It's a solid foundation for any home cook. Now, the star of the show, the non-stick coating. Blue Diamond claims this is 5 times harder and lasts 10 times longer than conventional coatings. They achieve this by infusing real diamonds into their ceramic non-stick. This is a pretty bold claim, and in my testing, the results were impressive. Food releases with remarkable ease. Whether it was delicate scrambled eggs, sticky caramel sauce, or a stubborn piece of fish, everything slid right off. And crucially, they are metal utensil safe, which is a huge plus for anyone who's ever had to worry about scratching their pans. This durability is a significant advantage, as non-stick pans are notoriously prone to wear and tear. The fact that they claim to be scratch-resistant is something we'll keep an eye on over long-term use, but for now, the initial performance in this regard is excellent. Another key feature highlighted is the heat transfer. Blue Diamond states these pans offer 4 times better heat transfer, meaning they heat up quickly and evenly. This is something I definitely observed. Cold spots or uneven searing are a common frustration with cookware, but these pans distribute heat very efficiently. This translates to more consistent cooking results and less time spent waiting for your pan to reach the optimal temperature. This quick and even heating is a real game changer for weeknight dinners when time is of the essence. Perhaps one of the most important aspects for many home cooks is the health aspect of their cookware. This Blue Diamond set is completely toxin-free. The ceramic non-stick coating is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a significant selling point, as it means you can cook your meals without worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. It's good to know that your cookware is not only performing well but also prioritizing your health and the health of your family. The construction of these pans is also worth noting. They are described as having tough bodies with heavy-duty forged bases designed to prevent warping. This durability is essential for pans that are going to be used frequently and subjected to varying temperatures. The riveted stainless steel handles are designed for a sturdy and comfortable grip. They feel secure in your hand, and importantly, they are oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a whole new world of cooking possibilities, allowing you to go from stovetop searing to finishing off in the oven with ease. This oven safety feature, combined with the comfortable handles, makes these pans incredibly versatile. When it comes to cleanup, these pans are a breeze. They are dishwasher safe, which is always convenient. However, the non-stick performance is so good that most messes simply wipe clean with a damp cloth. This makes post-meal cleanup significantly less of a chore, giving you more time to relax. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are certainly compelling. The exceptional non-stick performance is undeniable, making cooking and cleanup remarkably easy. The diamond infusion promises enhanced durability and scratch resistance, which is a major step up from many traditional non-stick pans. The rapid and even heat distribution is a significant performance benefit, leading to better cooking results. The toxin-free nature of the coating provides peace of mind for health-conscious cooks. The oven-safe capability up to a high temperature adds great versatility to these pans. Finally, the inclusion of 2 commonly used sizes in one set offers excellent value. However, there are a couple of considerations to keep in mind. While the pans are suitable for most stovetops, they are not induction compatible. This is a crucial detail for anyone with an induction cooktop, so be sure to check your stove type. Additionally, while the handles are oven safe, the description mentions lids are safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a slight limitation if you intend to use a lid during high heat oven cooking. Lastly, while the diamond infusion promises longevity, the true long-term durability will only be revealed through extensive continued use. In conclusion, the Blue Diamond 9.5-inch and 11-inch frying pan skillet set is a high-performance cookware option that delivers on its promises of superior non-stick capabilities, excellent heat distribution, and a focus on health. The durability claims, backed by the diamond infusion, are a significant draw, and the oven-safe feature adds impressive versatility. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and healthier alternative to traditional non-stick pans, and you don't have an induction stovetop, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.